Hi friends, myself Ravi. Today I am going to introduce all LIC plans with their special feature. Before that, LIC is public sector company functioning under Ministry of Finance, which offers all financial and insurance solutions. Financial solutions and insurance solutions all for all our future needs and present needs. Okay, so we have different types of plans, okay, to cater all our future financial needs. So let us consider one by one. Money back type of plans. In money back type we have table number 920 and 921, which offers regular money back for every 5 years, and after maturity, after completion of the term, we will provide maturity. Okay, and G1 Shiromani, another money back plan with plan number 947. This is HNI policy, high net worth individual policy, with minimum 1 crore sum assured, which inbuilt critical illness and guaranteed bonus. Next money back plan is Bima Sri with plan number 948. 948 Bima Sri can be considered as the younger brother of Shiromani with similar features of the plan except critical illness rider, and starts with minimum 10 lakhs. Provides money back at regular interval. Interval is 2 years. Next plan is Bhima Bachat. Plan number 916. It's a single premium money back plan which offers money back for every 3 years. Okay? And next kind of product is most popular product, endowment type. In endowment type, we have all popular products including New Jeevan Anand, Jeevan Labh, Jeevan Laksha, endowment table, Aadhaar Sila, Aadhaar Stamp, and Bima Bachat. Micro Bachat. Okay. New Jeevan Anand with plan number 915. New Jeevan Anand, Jindagi Bhar Anand, lifelong Anand with double maturity. जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी. And one more plan is Jeevan Labh. Labh means profit. These plans offer high returns with low premium. Plan number is 936. Another plan is Jeevan Laksha. This Laksha is to fulfill our goals or to reach our Laksha. Okay. So it will take the responsibility of the parent or breadwinner of the family or head of the family. The basic responsibilities of parent is to take care of the dependents. We have to provide essential to the dependents, and we have to provide quality education to the children, and we have to make them settle. So in your presence you will take care. In your absence this Laksha will take care. So this is wonderful plan to secure our family future and children future. And next plan is new endowment with plan number 914. This is evergreen plan, anybody can purchase it. And other plan includes Aadhaar Stamp, Aadhaar Sila, and Micro Bachat. So these are endowment type of products most popular in the market. And next plans is children plans. Children, they are our future. So we have to make financial planning to settle their life. So in this segment we have Jeevan Tarun with plan number 934. This Jeevan Tarun offers 4 kind of money back options from age 20 to 25, or we can take lump sum on 25th, age 25th. Second, children money back policy with plan number 932. So this children money back policy offers money back on age 18, 20, 22 and maturity on 25th. Next, single premium endowment product or plan with table number or plan number 917. So if you have any lump sum, you can deposit for future use. So in all children plans, insurance coverage in on children life and premium waiver benefit will be available in case of loss of parent. All future premium will be waived, benefits will remain same. You need not pay any future premiums, but we will give all the benefits. So these are children plan, very essential in our financial planning. Next, whole life plan. We have Jeevan Umang with plan number 945 in whole life plan segment. This can work as a magic box. That is, we have to keep some amount every year for 15 years or 20 years or 25 years or 30 years. We have four terms, 4 options. After completion of the premium paying term, then we have to take back every year till 100 years. And it's also provide huge maturity that may be asset to your family or children. So it's like a regular income plan or pension plan after certain period. So we have to pay for certain period and we have to keep taking for whole life. This is whole life plan, Jeevan Umang. And next segment is term plans. Term plan means only risk, no returns. Okay. High risk with low premium. In this segment we have Jeevan Amar and Anmol Jeevan. So term plan is purely for risk. Next segment is pension plans. Pension means a regular income from next month or after certain period. Okay. In this segment we have Jeevan Shanti with plan number 850. This Jeevan Shanti provides guaranteed pension, immediate pension from next month or with a deferment period on single life or joint life, that is on both husband and wife. Okay, this provides guaranteed pension with certain rate of interest, starts from 5.64 to 18%, that depends upon the period. Okay, after that return of purchase price. And next plan is Prime Minister Vaya Vandana Yojana with plan number 842. This is central government subsidized scheme executed by LIC. So guaranteed pension for 10 years and after that return of your purchase price, that is the amount invested. So these are annuity plans. And next segment is health. Pension is over. Next segment is health plans. Health plans includes Jeevan Arogya with plan number 904. So that is for covering our illness treatment. It covers almost all diseases. Okay, which is need of the hour in this pandemic situation. We should have health insurance and life insurance both. So one more plan is cancer cover. In health segment, another plan is cancer cover. So if you see the statistics of the cancer, the cases of the cancer is increasing rapidly in India. So we should buy the cancer cover, which provides high coverage with low premium. And one more segment is single premium plans. So if you have any lump sum amount we can deposit for future use. Among single premium segment, we have single premium endowment plan with plan number 917 and Bima Bachat with plan number 916, which provides money back for every 3 years. So we need not pay regularly for these plans. It's a single premium endowment plan. So in this corona pandemic situation, we should have sufficient insurance coverage and health coverage. Insurance policy is the only instrument to handle the corona like pandemic. Why? Because we cannot sell our property now. We cannot get good rate for that. No buyer of property, no buyer of gold. So immediate liquidity option is only insurance policies. Without any discount, we'll get full claim. So we should have maximum or sufficient insurance coverage. I suggest 10 to 15 times of the annual premium. The insurance coverage should be, you should have 10 to 15 times of your annual income. Okay, so we cannot neglect our family future financial needs. So corona is like devil attacking us regularly with increasing strength. So anything can happen to anybody. Let's be prepared. Let's have sufficient insurance coverage. We are also looking for agents to distribute all these plans. Okay, if you want to join as an agent, you can contact us, or if you want to buy a policy, you can call us. We will send our agents or will come to your home with proper precaution. Okay, for further details and information and any queries, please call me on 9849 898916. Thank you very much.